children, in previous class we studied about the sea turtles. Sea turtle is the biological relatives of tortoise. I hope you understood the last section 1 and 2. Today we are going to see about the section 3. See, there are 7 species sea turtles around the world. Of them, 5 are found in the Indian coastal area. They are the olive ridley, the leatherback, the loggerhead, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle. From the 5, the olive ridley is the common sea turtle found in the Indian coastal area. These 4 are very rare. See, once again I repeat this. From this 5, this is the common sea turtle found in the Indian coastal area. They 4 are very rare in the Indian coastal area. See, the olive ridley used to come the month of January and March to lay their eggs. Already I said sea turtles lives in the ocean and it comes only to the land for laying eggs. Between the month of January and March it used to come and it used the flippers to come and dig the bit nearly 45 centimeter deep and it lays the nearly 100 eggs. How many eggs? 100 eggs it lays in the depth, and then the eggs, the shape and size of the egg is like a tennis ball. See, it takes around 45 to 60 days to come out the new hatchlings from the eggs. These are the common points from the previous class. Today we are moved to section 3. Let us see what is that. You can take your textbook now and go to the section 3 now. Today we are going to see the section 3. Read this section in parts. Many of these tiny hatchlings which weigh less than 20 grams each will not even reach the sea. See, the tiny hatchlings weights are only 20 grams. These tiny hatchlings will not reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. See, they all will be food. Most of the tiny hatchlings are food to the other crabs or birds before they reach the sea water. Most of those that do not make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. See, if they reach also, they will not be other predators, other animals take as a food the tiny hatchlings. So, after few days, most of the hatchlings will fall prey for the predators. In fact, scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. It's perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. See, what the scientists estimate, they calculate what they value, no? See, if the 1,000 hatchlings comes from the eggs, only 1 will be the survive. They will reach the adult, they will be grown up. All the other will fall prey to the predators. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. That's why the nature has made the sea turtles to lay so many eggs. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. See, after when they grown up fully, they will be adult, then the next circle, they will correctly come to the same sea beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysterious of these fascinating reptiles. See, what it means how they find out the same place. When they were very small, after become adults, they spend almost their life in the sea water. Then again it comes to lay the eggs in the same sea beach. It's fascinating, it's attractive. The other reptiles, it's more attractive features of the sea turtle. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. They have suffered natural dangers for millions of years, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. See, in the earth, it's very unique feature of the sea turtle. It survived nearly thousands and thousands of years, but sadly, human activities, we human beings take these eggs and we are spoiling the eggs, so that decades means a period of 10 years. See, past few decades we have put in the great danger in the sea turtle. There are many factors that threaten their survival. See, there are many causes, there are many reasons to survive the sea turtles. People hunt them for the meat or collect the eggs. Why we hunt? We want to eat the meat of the sea turtle and the egg too. How sad it is. You think, you just imagine children, you don't follow these activities. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nests of motorboats. See, not only human collecting and taking and eating the eggs and meats, sometimes it falls right to the motorboats also. And problems like pollution also one of the reason to spoil the natural of sea turtles. Dumping of plastics, we put most plastics in the sea water, so the dumping of plastics also the cause of the sea turtles to continue their lifetime. See, in the ocean and construction activities on the nesting beaches also hurt their survival. See, nowadays we are constructing more buildings near this beach, so it is also a big problem for sea turtles. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats. See, we have to systematically find fault, find solution for this problem only. We will remove the threats, we will remove these causes. Can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come? Okay, about this lesson, who has written? The author is Sekhar Dattatri. He was the writer of popular articles of the wildlife conservation and film making. He has been interested in nature from childhood. From the childhood, he is interested, more enthusiastic about the nature. He is an award-winning wildlife conservation filmmaker. He is a filmmaker too. For more information, you visit sekhardattatris.com. See, next we are going to see that, once again I will repeat the synonyms, children. Survive means continue to live. Mysterious is facts that are difficult to understand. And fascinating means attracting greatly. And decade is a period of 10 years. See, next we move to the choose. Now we are going to move this choose. Choose the correct answer. You may choose more than one answer if needed. First one, the dash is a biological relatives of tortoise. Sea turtle, fish, reptile. Yes, you are right, it's sea turtle. Second one, in India's coastal waters, we can see a species of dash. Tortoises, sea turtles, dolphin. Yes, you are right, it's sea turtles. Third one, the sea turtles come to the shore to dash. Visit the birthplace, lay eggs, go back to the sea. Yes, you are right, it's lay eggs. Fourth one, it's a problem for sea turtles to come ashore because they find it difficult to walk on sand. They do not know their way to the shore. Animals and people hunt them. Yes, you are right, they find it difficult to walk on sand. Fifth one, the turtles flippers help to swim, dig a nest, climb. Here, two options are suitable for this question. Option A and B both are suitable, so we are going to mark swim and dig a nest. Sixth one, a sea turtle camouflage its nest by tossing sand on it too. Does hide its eggs from predators, incubate eggs in the warmth of the sun, keep the hatchlings safe. Yes, of course, you are right. Hide the eggs from predators. Yes, children, of course, you understood the sea turtles very well. See, you do the exercise from your textbook. We will meet in the worksheet. Thank you.